2023 Infiniti QX60. We're gonna reset the maintenance reminder / oil life reminder. Okay, so steering wheel buttons here. Go ahead and push over to the right, and the menu we're looking for is the settings menu. Press the wheel button in, that'll be okay. Then wheel down with the wheel button till you see maintenance. Hit okay. Right here it says service, air filter, zoom in, tire and oil. You might be getting any one of these notifications. The most common one to reset right now is going to be service, which is engine oil due. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and press OK. Actually want to reset, go down, hit yes. We can go back, and if we have the air filter, this one's not even on. We go and turn this one on if you want. We can set it up to, let's do 5,000 miles. All right, if yours was telling you that you needed it to be done, just hit reset here. Same thing with tire and other, okay? Hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it. The like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another Infiniti video.